In this video, we're going to show you how to use the FileZilla Site Manager to make a reusable SFTP connection to your Web Hosting for Students web server account. This video assumes that you've received the hosting account setup information email from Web Hosting for Students, and that you've completed the prior exercise to use cPanel in Web Hosting for Students to create a CAS 206 folder. If you have not yet completed that exercise, please do that now and come back to this video. To get started, we're going to click on the Site Manager button in the upper left corner of FileZilla. Next, click on the New Site button. Enter a name that will help you remember what this site is. I suggest you use CAS 206 for the site name here. Next, enter the host value from the hosting account setup email. Also from the Web Hosting for Student account setup email, you'll find a port number. It might be 18765 like mine is, but it could also be different. So please check that email for the correct value. Under Protocol, select SFTP. For login type, select Normal. Enter the username provided in the hosting account setup email and the password also from that email. Before you click Connect, let's go to the Advanced tab. This will help us create the correct folders for both the local and remote sites each time we use this site. For the default local directory, click Browse and browse your hard drive for the location where you created the CAS 206 folder from a previous exercise in Module 1. For the remote default directory, enter Home, then the username that you just typed in the general field, then public _HTML, then CAS 206. That's the folder that you created in the previous cPanel example. Now click Connect. If everything worked correctly, you should see the CAS 206 local folder and the CAS 206 remote folder. If you're not seeing either of those two folders, or you didn't connect, go back to Site Manager and double check that you entered all the correct information from the Web Hosting for Students account setup information email. Now that you have your connection set up correctly, you can use this connection at any point in the future as you complete your work and submit it for grading.